Okay, we are in the wild of the rainforest. It's very, very scary here because we don't know what's out there. We've been hearing noises and
we're afraid of monkey flinging poo at us. I'm very happy. Are you limping? Huh? Are you limping? No?
That's just the way she walks.
CT, has anyone ever told you that you walk funny?
I think Tao just did right now.
That's a nice way of saying it.
I wanted to make sure she wasn't injured. Yeah, that's it.
Hey Tina, you know what? Do you watch movies? Do you realize that anytime somebody goes into the forest, something bad happens?
Jeez, don't say that.
It's only in the movies though.
Let's hope it just stays in the movies.
You hear that? You hear that, Tina? What do you think that is?
Bug! Step!
Woo!
Oh my god. What is it? I still hear it.
It's coming after us. We gotta go. Gotta go. Run, guys, run! Okay, we got out of there alive.